Good evening. Today I am in Japan. I'm in a place called Daikoku Rest Stop, which is just outside Tokyo, and it's in the middle of all of these highways. There's highways going all around it, and in the middle there's a rest stop, which is like a parking area, and there's a convenience store, a bunch of vending machines, some fountains. But the interesting stuff is in the car park. Let me show you. This whole car park every night, especially at weekends, becomes a big car meet. So people come here, park up their cars and talk to other people that love cars, and you can have a look at them, and it's pretty fun. Unfortunately, the lighting situation, I'm just using a GoPro, and it's a bit dark, but I'll try my best. So we got Lamborghinis, which I was not expecting. There's a Ferrari. Somebody bought this, and I'm sure they've just bought it ironically. It's a taxi cab. Oh, this is my car, my trusty steed. It's a Daihatsu. Can't remember what it's called now. It's a Daihatsu Mira, I think it was. Daihatsu Mira. Yes, I rented it from Toyota. I think it's hard to get here without having a car. There's a lot of cars. Subaru Impreza, Honda Civic, Mazda 2. Unfortunately, I arrived a little bit late. I thought people were here late at night, but some people have already left. As you can see, there's a fair few empty parking spaces. It's 7:30, so it's still not exactly late, but I guess things must start earlier. I like this, the amount of work that's gone into that. I used to have one of these in black. Yeah, it's got the British flag on it. I was going to say, these are made in the UK and then shipped over to Japan. A lot of JDM stuff. I'm not a huge expert on JDM, but I don't know what that is. I know that's a 350Z. Suzuki Swift Sport, I know that. Another Swift. Right, there's some people taking photos there. I won't disturb them. There's like 4 Lotus Elises. 300ZX. Another Lotus. Earlier when I was filming my TikTok video, there was a load of GTRs that just drove off as I turned up. People have popped the hoods and left them open. I was half tempted to do that with my car, just park it in this line with the hood popped open and see what people say. It's too dark for me to show you guys anything, I guess. I like this. Is that an Accord Euro R? Yes, it is. Yeah, I was driving on the highway, that one just coming in there, and I've played one of those Need for Speed games. I can't remember which one, Tokyo. I can't remember which game it was, and it was very similar. It's weirdly so when you're driving on it, and it's like the same. We've got a. thought that was a Mini Cooper. No, it's a Daihatsu Mira. There's 2 Lamborghinis and a Ferrari. And if you notice, all of these cars are left-hand drive, because I think Japanese prefer exotic cars to be left-hand drive to make them more exotic or something. It's kind of weird. I'm not too sure why it's like that, but maybe it's resale value because left-hand drive cars hold their money better on a international market. Right, what else have we got? Another GTR. An Audi S3. You don't see many Audis or BMWs. It's mostly Japanese cars. Supra. I've seen a few of those new GT86 models. I'm not sure if they're still called a GT86. Mitsubishi Lancer, Honda NSX, another Lancer. I have never seen one of these in the flesh. The Accord Euro R. There's a guy taking a picture of it, but yeah, I've only ever seen that car in pictures. I've driven the 2.4 petrol, just a normal one, but never that one. I used to have a Honda Accord Type R, the old shape. That was pretty good. Yeah. I don't think there's many more interesting cars down this line. Oh, MX-5. Doing well to keep that thing going. I used to have one of them. I used to have a Japanese import one. It was a 96. Used to call it a Mazda Unos. It was silver. Brilliant condition. Got some more cars here. Mini Cooper. It's a Honda Shuttle with the racing rims. Two S2000s with ridiculous spoilers. It's very Need for Speed, as I said. There's a Toyota Avensis. I think they're made in the UK as well, actually. There's an S2000. This is Honda Civic. We're mixed in with just people that are driving and just pull over for a stop. In together with the enthusiasts. Like this Lexus SC430, is that an enthusiast's car or is it just some old guy who decided to just pull over? Ah, this is a K car. No, it's not a K car. I think they do a K version of this. It hasn't got a yellow plate. MX-5. As I said, it's pretty cool. It's Halloween actually today. It's 29th, Halloween weekend. Nobody's wearing fancy costumes. Let's take a look at what else there is in here. So there's a convenience store on that side, and then here there's a lot of vending machines in it. There's normal stuff, drinks. Okay, nothing too exciting in there. I think this is just like a normal shop. God. It's like maps and stuff of the local area. A place to sit. I'm just putting on my mask. Okay. Oh, I see local souvenirs. Oh, it's Yokohama. Okay, that's where we are. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? You can come here and buy regional delicacies. What's this fun say? Look at that. Oh, they got enthusiasts merchandise. A Ferrari mug if you want one. Oh, car detailing products. In case you just need to give it a quick wipe down. after pulling off the highway and putting it on show. What else have we got? Little toys, dining area. Just food. Well, the time now is 8:33 and the police have showed up and told people to clear off, and most people have left. There's a few other people hanging around, I'm not too sure why. But, well, I guess it has an end time then, 8:30. I think that's all, folks. I'll wrap it up for now. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch up with you guys next time.